What's going on, everyone? Chia to the moon here. I want to talk about my Chia setup for you guys. It's definitely quite messy and needs to get organized, but right now this is the best it's going to get. The computer I use to create my plots is a Dell 5810. I also use it to farm as well. It's got two M.2 SSDs, which with Mad Max, I'm creating a plot about every 2 hours. So it's not the best, but I think if I need to increase that, I will probably add more RAM so I can do some RAM plotting. But for now, with how much storage I have, this is pretty good. I've got about 170 terabytes right now. So just to give you an idea, I started buying these 5-bay arrays. Definitely gonna avoid that as it added some cost, but I bought those a long time ago when Chia was, much higher. So, I was offsetting the cost a little bit, but now I'm just going to go for more of the external drives that you see on the ground that you can get from Best Buy or Amazon. But in almost all cases, I'm getting 14 terabyte drives. Price per terabyte is about the cheapest for that. I did buy relatively expensive drives that are in these 2 bays, the Western Digital Red drives, but I bought those in case, for whatever reason, I stop farming, which is definitely not going to happen. I could use them for a NAS. So there was purpose in those, but now I think I'm going to go for slightly cheaper drives. I think up top there, that's 1 terabyte. On the side, we've got a couple 1 terabyte. Everything in here is all 14 terabyte. And then we got 2 drives back there and 1 right here. So yeah, that's a setup. A little messy, needs to get organized, but around 170 terabytes. And I have another computer that just has a few plots on it, but nothing crazy. This is the biggest part of the farm. So I think we'll be increasing capacity pretty soon because, I don't know, I'm bullish on Chia. So that's it. More videos to come. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.